Are you looking for a luxury home on a manageable lot? Well, today we have just that. We're going to be taking a tour of this Perry model in Bison Ridge, and they're about to close out this community, but there are four other neighborhoods in this area that offer this product. But before we get into this, guys, my name is Dardan, your go-to expert for everything real estate in the greater San Antonio area. It means the world to me if you go down below, hit that like button. It really helps us grow this channel. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos like this, hit subscribe. Now let's go see the inside. So this particular model is going to have 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, just under 2,200 square feet. And like I mentioned to you guys earlier, this model is, or this product rather, is available in 3 other communities around here, depending on your desired location. So we're going to get started right here at the front door. We have a gorgeous 8-foot door with the glass accents, letting this natural light. And this opens up all the way to the back of the home. This is going to be more of a shotgun style home with offshoots everywhere. So first offshoot, we're going to have this gorgeous room right at the front of the home. Gorgeous 3 windows, letting in a lot of natural light. And then this particular room is going to have an ensuite. So you have the oversized vanity, we have the toilet, and we have the stand-up shower that is tiled all the way to the top. Along that, we're going to have a walk-in closet in there, plenty of space for ample amounts of storage. Now, as we come back out through the front room, we're going to have a nice linen closet right off of that first bedroom. And then coming through here, you're going to see that this area is open. This is going to be your garage. They're using it as the sales office currently. This is where your garage access would be. You would come in through here. We have a nice little mud bench to hang up your coats, put up your shoes. And then on the opposite end, we're going to have not a printer room, but this is going to be your laundry, your washer, your dryer. And then we even have space to add a fridge, a mini fridge, if that is something that is necessary. We enter the heart of the home. The first thing that you're going to see is this gorgeous kitchen. We have this nice little island in the middle as a centerpiece. And look at all this counter space that we have. We have also a peninsula island right here. And I love that they have the undermounted sink facing the dining room and the living room, so that if your guests are over, you're entertaining, you're still facing them and engaging in good conversation, because that's why everybody's over. But let's get started on this side. We have plenty of cabinetry, soft close, and as you know, if you've seen my past videos, Perry is a semi-custom home builder. So what you see today is not necessarily what you have to get. You get to walk through the design center and kind of choose your finishes. Nice little pantry in the corner over here, plenty of space. We have our built-ins, the microwave with the oven. And continuing on, I love this subway style backsplash with this forest green or whatever color that is. That's very unique. And then we are in a gas community, so we have a 4 burner gas range on top, which is neat, separate and apart from the oven, of course. And look at all this cabinet space. Look at all this counter space, prep space that you have for whatever you're doing here in the kitchen. Absolutely love that. And then the island, I love that they elected to wrap it in cabinetry. You have storage on both ends of the island, which is neat. We have the additional seating, so an eat-in kitchen per se, right? And then if you're having a more formal dinner, you have the dining room right next door, right? So everything flows, everything is wide open. We have these elevated ceilings to really make this place feel airy, and then into the living area. These 3 windows back here, they're what we call picture frame windows, so they don't open, they're stationary. Not that you're opening that many windows in Texas anyway, South Texas, but nonetheless, they still let in a lot of natural light, and it feels great in here. I mean, you can tell that this home has great insulation, plenty of space. I'd probably give me a nice sectional in here. But yeah, so let's continue on with the tour. Let's actually backtrack a little bit. Back there is going to be the primary suite. We'll take a look at that in a second. But through here, we're going to have our first 2 bedrooms, or rather, our last 2 secondary bedrooms. Let's go look at the restroom first. Now, this one has a single vanity with the toilet, of course, and then this one has a shower tub combo, a little different from the first one that we saw, which was only a walk-in shower. Now, this is going to be our second bedroom that we've seen. A good sized bedroom. As you can see, this is a queen size bed, still plenty of furniture around, and you still have a full walk-in closet, which is very rare in a one-story for your secondary bedrooms. Now, we do have 2,200 square feet or just under that, so we have plenty of space in this home. And then, of course, this room in here staged like a nursery. And then yet again, we get another walk-in closet, which is really, really neat. You truly do not see that all too often. Now, continuing back through here, we're gonna come right back into the kitchen area. Love that the secondary bedrooms are right off the kitchen. If you have kids, they want to get up for a drink, midnight drink, or whatever it may be, they're right there. They don't have to be wandering. And then through the living room area as well. Now, the reason why you're here, this is the primary suite, the owner's suite. Love that it's tucked in the back of the home. They've added the shiplap, this design feature, millwork on the back end. Big old room. We have the tall ceilings, the 3 windows letting in a lot of natural light from the backyard. And then as we continue through these double doors, we're gonna have our primary bath. We have 2 vanities. We have a single one right here. And then if you come in through here, we have an oversized one on this side. Now, the centerpiece of this entire bath is gonna be this tub with that shower in the back. I mean, this is a massive tub. I mean, let's get in here. I'm 6 foot tall and I quite literally cannot feel this tub. My legs are fully stretched out, which is very unique. We have the frosted glass on the back end for privacy. And then as we continue through here, we're gonna have this gorgeous walk-in shower. I'll let you guys go in there alone. It's fully tiled on all sides, all the way to the top of the ceiling. And I love that they added that little window right there because those things can be a little dark. Now through here, we're gonna have a walk-in closet. Not the biggest we've seen, but I think this works for a 2,200 square foot home. Love that they added the custom shelves for shoes. And then right next to it is gonna be our water closet or throne room. So let's walk back through this house for a little bit of orientation, kind of give you guys a feel of what's going on. And guys, if you're looking at making a move to the San Antonio area, I want to be your real estate expert of choice. So down in the description, you're going to find my contact information. Do not hesitate to reach out. And go down in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think about this property. And I look forward to showing you around town.